National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Lincoln Parish, Eastern Union Parish, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Farmerville, or 16 miles northwest of Claiborne, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Farmerville, Marion, Downsville, Leanville, Spencer, Hale, Bayou d'Arbin Lake and d'Arbin. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for a portion of north-central Louisiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Lincoln and Union.